In the distant galaxy of Bharat, on the planet of Dhruvapuri, a tranquil Hindu village thrived, nestled between iridescent forests and shimmering waterfalls. However, the serenity was shattered when the cruel demons of hatred, led by the ruthless Zarat, descended upon the village, seeking to enslave its inhabitants. The demons' dark technology ravaged the landscape, leaving destruction in their wake. The villagers, adept in ancient wisdom and futuristic warfare, rallied under the leadership of the fearless Rajyamata. Armed with advanced weapons, such as the divine laser, Sudarshan cannon, and the celestial drone, Garuda wing, they prepared to face the demonic onslaught. As the battle commenced, God Vishnu, the cosmic guardian, descended upon the planet, his ethereal form radiating divine energy. With a gentle smile, he bestowed his blessings upon the villagers, empowering their weapons and amplifying their courage. The stage was set for an epic confrontation between the forces of light and darkness. As the battle raged on, God Vishnu wielded his celestial sword, Nandaka, slicing through the demon's dark technology. The villagers, emboldened by his presence, unleashed a barrage of futuristic attacks. Rajyamata piloted the Garuda wing, dodging demonic blasts while striking with precision. The Sudarshan cannon, powered by Vishnu's energy, obliterated Zarat's fortress. The demons, overwhelmed by the combined might of the villagers and Vishnu, faltered and fled. Zarat, enraged, challenged Vishnu to a duel. The cosmic guardian accepted, and their energies clashed in a spectacular display of light and sound. Vishnu emerged victorious, banishing Zarat to the depths of space. With the demons vanquished, the village of Dhruvapuri was reborn. The villagers, grateful for their freedom, hailed Vishnu as their savior. Vishnu, pleased with their bravery, bestowed his blessings upon the village.